Hello students, we are in chapter number 2, that is polynomial. Today we shall discuss some important questions or hot questions. So let us start our class today. Let us read the first question. First question is, by actual division find the quotient and the remainder when the first polynomial is divided by the second polynomial. Alright. The first polynomial is x to the power 4 plus 1 and the second polynomial is x minus 1. So let us write that x minus 1 here. We have to divide this x to the power 4 plus 1. Now you see students, the next immediate term is missing. That is term containing x cube, term containing x square, term containing x, all those are missing. So for our convenience, let us express like this: 0 x cube, 0 into x square, 0 into x plus that 1. If you divide in this way, you will be never confused. Now here we have to put some number. That number into this x should be x to the power 4. What will be that? Okay, easily we can find this is x to the power 4 divided by this x. It is x cube. So let us put this that x cube. Okay, x cube into this x is x to the power 4 plus x cube minus 1 is minus x cube. Okay, then what we do in general, we always subtract. This is minus, this is when we subtract, sign will get changed. X to the power 4 minus x to the power 4 will get cancelled. This is 0x cube plus 1x cube is 1x cube. This is 0x square, let us bring everything. This is 1. Now plus, this is x cube, then this is x. By what we have to multiply? X cube by x, it is x square. Okay, so plus x square. This x square we shall multiply through x square into this. X square into x is x cube plus minus minus x square into 1 is x square. Alright, now what we will do? We shall subtract. Sign will get changed, this will get cancelled. 0x square plus 1x square is 1x square. This is 0x, this is 1. This is x square, this is x. So obviously it will be plus x, because x into x is x square plus minus minus x. Alright, then what we will do? Subtract. It will get cancelled. This is x, this is 1. This is x, this is also x. So we will put 1, because 1 into x is x. 1 into x is x. Plus minus minus 1 into 1 is 1. We will subtract. Minus plus. This is 2. Question is, find the quotient and the remainder. So therefore quotient is equal to this part, x to the power 4 plus x square plus x plus 1, and the remainder is this one. Okay, we have taken the second question. Let us read the question. If the polynomial ax cube plus 4x square plus 3x minus 4 and x cube minus 4x plus a leave the same remainder when divided by x minus 3, find the value of a. Okay, before solving this, let us recapitulate the remainder theorem. Alright, now you see, suppose there is a polynomial px, it is divided by another polynomial x minus a. There is some quotient, there will be some remainder after division. Now, by the remainder theorem, what is the remainder? The remainder is, that is p of the 0 of it. What is the 0 of this polynomial? A. Alright, because how we find 0? X minus a equal to 0. Then x give us this a. So remainder is always p of a. That means in place of this number we will put a. Alright. The first polynomial, okay, let us write late. First polynomial is given by ax cube plus 4x square plus 3x minus 4, and the second polynomial let us denote by cube of x. It is x cube minus 4x plus a. Alright. Now it is said they leave the same remainder. So when we divide this polynomial by x minus 3, what will be the remainder? Can you say? The remainder will be, yes, p of, what is the 0 of this? 3. Okay, because if you put x minus 3 equal to 0, x equal to 3. X minus 3 equal to 0. So this gives us x equal to 3. So the remainder is p of 3. Again, if you take this as the polynomial, if you divide by x minus 3, what will be the remainder? If you divide by x minus 3, it will be q of 3, right? Now, according to the question, they leave the same remainder, that means they will be equal, right? Now let us find the remainder by putting the value of x equal to how much? 3, right? So a into this 3 cube, 4 into 3 square, 3 into 3 minus this 4 is equal to q of 3. This is q. Here you put, this is 3 cube minus 4 into 3 plus a. Now student, this is the main step. Now just we have to simplify, then we find the value of a, right? This is 3 cube is 27, 27a. This is 4 into 3 square is 9. This is 9 minus 4. 3 cube is 27 minus 12 plus a. Alright? 27a, 36 plus 9 minus 4. This is 27 minus 12 plus a. Alright? Just we shall simplify now. This is 27a. This is 45 minus 4. And this is 15 plus a. 27a, okay, and this is 41. This is 15 plus a. So let us simplify. 27a, this a will be here, 15 minus 41. That are to the remaining part here. Okay, 27a minus a is 26a is equal to, their difference is minus 26. So this gives us a equal to minus 26 divided by 26. So a equal to minus 1. The next question is, the polynomial px equal to x to the power 4 minus 2x cube plus 3x square minus ax plus b, when divided by x minus 1 and x plus 1, leaves the remainders 5 and 19 respectively. Find the values of a and b. Alright, so here the polynomial is, this sum is a little bit different from the last sum, but conception is same, the use of remainder or the application of remainder theorem. This is a polynomial. Now we have to divide by how much at first? X minus 1. Okay, if we divide this polynomial by x minus 1, the remainder is 5. Alright, so here now, if we divide by x minus 1, you know the remainder theorem. How will find the remainder? The remainder is p of, what is the 0 of it? 1. P of 1 is equal to how much? 5. Alright, so let us frame an equation. So in place of x, what will put? 1. So this is 1 to the power 4 minus 2 into 1 cube plus 3 into 1 square a into 1 plus b. This is how much? 5. Right. Let us simplify now. 1 minus 2 into 1, 2 plus 3 into 1, 3 minus a plus b is equal to 5. Alright. This is 3 plus 1, 4, 4 minus 2, 2 minus a plus b equal to 5. So here what we do, let us, as there are two unknown factors a and b, let us keep only one in the left hand side. So 5, this is minus 2, this will be plus a. Alright, so b is equal to 3 plus a. Alright, now also we have that in this case, if we divide this polynomial by x plus 1, what is the remainder? What is the 0 of it? 1. So p of minus 1, this is the remainder. Now if you divide by x plus 1, what is the remainder? Given 19. Alright. Now in place of this x, let us put minus 1 now. So this is going to be minus 1 to the power 4 minus 2 into minus 1 cube, 3 into minus 1 square, a into minus 1 plus b is remainder is 19. Now let us simplify here. Alright. Minus 1 to the power 4 is plus 1 minus 2 into minus 1 cube minus 1 plus 3 into minus 1 square 1 plus this is a plus b is equal to 19. Alright, you can check. And this is 1, this is plus 2, plus 3, plus a, plus b equal to 19. Alright, student? Now, let us simplify this. This is 5, 6. A plus b is equal to 19. So, this is a plus b is equal to 19 minus 6. Alright? Now, here you can substitute b equal to 3 plus a. So, instead of or in place of b, let us put 3 plus a. This is 3 and plus a. This is 13. So, this is a plus a is twice a. This is 13 minus 3. Twice a is equal to 10. So, a is going to 10 by 2 is 5. Now, one thing is left, but the value of b. So, therefore, directly we can do b is equal to 3 plus 5. It is 8. Therefore, we have got a equal to 5, b is equal to 8. Well, students, in the next question, when the polynomial x cube plus 2ax square minus 5x minus 7 is divided by x plus 1, it leaves the remainder r1, and when the polynomial x cube plus x square minus 12x plus 6a is divided by x minus 2, it leaves the remainder r2. Now we have to find the value of a if twice r1 plus r2 equal to 12. Now students, let us consider, let this polynomial be denoted by px. It is x cube plus 2ax square minus 5x minus 7. And the second polynomial be denoted by, it is x cube plus x square minus 12x plus 6a. Here also it is the application of remainder theorem. Alright, now this is divided by x plus 1. The remainder is r1. Now we have the remainder. Remainder is how much? r1. When it is r1, remainder is r1. How will we find the remainder? The remainder is p of, what is the 0? Minus 1. Got it, student? So r1 equal to, in place of x, here we shall put minus 1. Here minus 1 cube 2a minus 1 square minus 5 into minus 1 minus 7. Alright, student? So let us find the value of r1. Minus 1 cube is minus 1. This is twice a into, this is 1 plus 5 minus 7. Alright? So r1 equal to minus 1 plus twice a plus 5 minus 7. So r1 is going to be, this is twice a, this is minus 8. So this is minus 3. This is r1. Alright? Now next, let us take this one. Also, similarly r2 will find out. How will find r2? R2 is the remainder of this when we divide this by x minus 2. So the remainder is q of this one. This is the polynomial, we are dividing these by x minus 2. So what is the 0 of x minus 2? Right, 2. So the remainder is q of 2. So r2 is equal to q of 2. That means in place of x, we shall put 2 here in this expression. So it is 2 cube plus, this is 2 square minus 12 into 2 plus 6a. Correct, student? So r2 equal to, this is 8, this is 4 minus 24 plus 6a. So r2 is, this is 12. 12 minus 24 is minus 12 plus 6a. Alright, student, after this a condition is given. What is the condition? Again, what the condition is, twice r1 plus r2 is equal to 12. Now let us substitute the value of r1 and r2 from these two here. Twice. r1 is twice a minus 3. Twice a minus 3. r2 is, this is 6a minus 12 is equal to 12. Alright? This is 4a minus 6 plus 6a minus 12 is equal to 12. So this is 4a plus 6a is 10a. This is minus 18. This is 12. 10a. 12 plus 18 is 30. So that we can find in shortcut. So a equal to 3. In this way we can solve. So we have taken one more question. Using the remainder theorem, prove that a plus b b plus c and c plus a are the factors of the polynomial a plus b plus c whole cube minus within bracket a cube plus b cube plus c cube. Alright, now the polynomial is this, so let us consider this be the polynomial. So let us this represented by px. This is very easy sum. You will find a cube plus b cube plus c cube. Alright, now we have to prove that a plus b is a factor using remainder theorem. So using remainder theorem, the factor, if a plus b is a factor, the remainder will be obviously 0. If b plus c is a factor, the remainder will be 0. That means we have to find the remainder is 0. Now, if we take this as the, by this we have to divide this. So what is the 0 of it? For 0 we have a plus b equal to 0. So that means in place of a, let us put minus b here in this polynomial. So let us find the remainder. Therefore, remainder will be how much? If we divide this expression by a plus b, what is the 0 of a plus b is minus b. Alright, so in place of a we shall put minus b here. This is minus b in place of a minus b plus c whole cube minus. Alright, in place of a we are putting minus b, so minus b cube plus this is b cube plus c cube. Alright student, so this is b will get cancelled, so c cube minus this is cube of minus b, so it is going to be minus b cube plus c cube. This term will get cancelled. Alright student, so this is going to be cancelled, so this is minus c cube. So you see remainder is how much? 0. If remainder is 0, then a plus b is a factor. Therefore a plus b is a factor of px. Alright, now in a similar manner we can prove that b plus c and c plus a are also factors of px. Similarly, we can prove that b plus c and c plus a are factors of px. Now let us combine these two statements. Let us write what is asked. So therefore a plus b, b plus c and c plus a are factors of the given polynomial. Alright, my dear student, now we have taken a question. The question is, find the value of p and q so that x plus 2 and x minus 1 are factors of the polynomial x cube plus 10 x square plus px plus q. Alright, now before starting this is the application of factor theorem. So let us little bit discuss about the factor theorem. There is a polynomial px, we divide by x minus a. Alright, now there is some quotient and there will be some remainder, all of it. Now suppose there is a number, let us take easy example, 12. 12 is divided by 2, 2 6 12, remainder is 0. If remainder is 0, we say that 2 is a factor of 12. Now here also, if remainder is 0, then x minus a is a factor of px. Alright student, now how will we find the remainder? The remainder we find by the application of remainder theorem. P of what is the 0 of it? A. The remainder is P of it. With this concept, let us solve this sum. Alright student? So here, let Px is equal to x cube plus 10 x square plus Px plus q. Now, this polynomial is divided by x plus 2. Okay? Now, then it will be divided by x minus 1. There are two factors given. We have to find the value of p and q. This is the question. Now, what will be the remainder? Remainder will be, as it is a factor, remainder will be 0. Now, let us find the remainder. The remainder is p of how much? What is the 0 of it? Minus 2. Remainder is 0, as it is a factor. So this implies in place of x, let us put minus 2. This is minus 2 cube. 10 into minus 2 square is equal to 0. This is minus 8. 10 into 4 minus twice p plus q is equal to 0. Minus 8, this is 40. All student, minus twice p plus q equal to 0. So this is 32 minus twice p plus q is equal to 0. So from here we can say that q equal to twice p minus 30. Also, x minus 1 is also a factor. So remainder is 0. Also, p of, what is the 0 of it? 1 is 0. Got it, student? Now, in place of x, here we shall put 1. So this is 1 cube, 10 into 1 square, p into 1 plus q, remainder is 0. Got it, student? So this is 1, this is 10, p plus q is equal to 0. Now from here we get this is 11, so this is 11 plus p plus q equal to 0. Got it? Now what we do, we shall substitute q here. 11 plus p, q equal to how much? Twice p minus 32. Twice p minus 32 is equal to 0. Got it, student? Now this is 2p plus p is 3p minus how much it is? 21 equal to 0. So 3p is equal to 21. So p is going to be how much, student? 21 divided by 3 is 7. Now we have to find the value of q. Next. Also, q equal to 2 into p, 2 into 7. 2 into 7 minus this 32. 14 minus 32 is equal to minus 18. So let us write the values. Therefore, p equal to 7, u equal to minus 18. My dear students, this is very important question because this is the application of both remainder theorem and factor theorem. So let us read the question. If ax cube plus bx square plus x minus 6 has x plus 2 as a factor and leaves the remainder 4 when divided by x minus 2, find the values of a and b. So let us write the polynomial. Here we denote the polynomial by, let px equal to ax cube plus bx square plus x minus 6. Now this is divided by x plus 2. X plus 2 is a factor. That means remainder will be 0. So how will you find the remainder? P of, what is the 0 of it? Minus 2. So P of minus 2, that this is remainder. As it is a factor, remainder is 0. So in place of x, let us put minus 2 here. A into minus 2 cube, b into minus 2 square. This is minus 2, minus 6. Remainder is 0. So this is minus 8a. This is 4b. This is minus 8 equal to 0. Now throughout we can take 4 as common. Okay, so 4 is common, minus twice a plus b minus 2 is equal to 0. Now let us divide both the side by 4. Minus twice a plus b minus 2 equal to 0. So b is going to be, let us take this on other side, twice a plus 2. This is say equation 1. Alright, now one more thing is given. This polynomial leaves remainder 4 when divided by x minus 2. Also, p of 2, this is the remainder. Remainder is how much? Is 4. Now, in place of x, let us put these 2 here. So this is a into 2 cube, b into 2 square, plus this 2 minus 6 equal to remainder is 4. Alright. Now this is 8a, this is 4b minus 4 plus 4. Let us simplify further here. This is 8a plus 4b minus 4 equal to 0. So this is 8a, 4, b equal to twice a plus 2. twice a plus 2. This is minus 8 equal to 0. We could take 4 also as common. 8a plus 8a plus 8 minus 8 equal to 0. 8 will get cancelled. So this is 16a equal to 0. So a is going to be 0 by 16 is 0. Now we have to find the value of b. Putting the value of a equal to 0 in equation 1, we get b equal to 2 into 0 plus 2. So b is equal to 0 plus 2 is 2. Therefore, we have got a equal to 0 and b equal to 2. And the next question is, without actual division, prove that 2x to the power 4 minus 5x cubed plus 2x square minus x plus 2 is divisible by x square minus 3x plus 2. Alright, now before solving this, let us take the number 12. This is divided by 6. 6 2 is 12. Remainder is 0. We say that 6 is a factor of 12 or 12 is divisible by 6. Now 6 can also be written as a factor of 2 and 3. So ultimately what happens? 12 is also divisible by 2. 12 is also divisible by 3. The same concept let us apply here. Let the polynomial be 2x to the power 4 minus 5x cubed plus 2x square minus x plus 2. This is the polynomial. This will be divisible by this one, x square minus. Now also x square minus 3x plus 2. We can express it as factors. Let us do the middle term splitting. So this is x square minus, this is minus twice x minus x plus 2. Alright, let us take two pairs. Here in the first pair, x is common, x minus 2. Here minus 1 is common, x minus 2. In between these two, what is common? X minus 2, right? X minus 2, it will be x minus 1. Alright? Now, we have to show that this polynomial is divisible by this. That means this polynomial should be divisible by both of these. So what we'll do? We'll find the remainder. If remainder is 0, that means this is a factor. If this is a factor, that means this is divisible by x minus 2. Alright? So here let us find the remainder. When this is divisible by x minus 2, remainder will be remainder is p of 2. Now let us find the remainder. Therefore, p of 2 is equal to, let us put the value of 2 there. 2 into 2 to the power 4 minus 5 into 2 cube plus 2 into 2 square minus 2 plus this 2. 2 to the power 4 is 16. 16 into 2 is 32. Minus 2 cube is 8. 8 into 5, 40. Plus 2 square 4. 4 into 2, 8. These 2 cancel. Okay. This is 40. 40 minus 40 is 0. That means x minus 2 is a factor. Therefore, x minus 2 is a factor of px. Now, one more is left with x minus 1. Also, let us find the remainder here. P of 1. In place of x, let us put 1. 2, 1 to the power 4 minus 5 into 1 cube, 2 into 1 square minus 1 plus 2. Now let us find the remainder. So from here, if we simplify, this is 2 minus, this is 5 plus 2 minus 1 plus 2. Let us do the remaining part here. This is 2, 6 minus 6 equal to 0. So this implies, or from this we get that x minus 1, that is this x minus 1 is also a factor of, x minus 1 is a factor of px. How we can say this? Because remainder is 0. So like, now here we have proved that x minus 2 is also a factor, x minus 1 is also a factor. So their product is also a factor of px. Therefore, x minus 2 into x minus 1 is a factor of px. Alright, now what is the product of these two? Already we have got this from here. X minus 2 into x minus 1 is x square minus 3x plus 2. Therefore, x square minus 3x plus 2 is a factor of px. Conversely, we can say that px is divisible by x to the x square minus 3x plus 2. Therefore, px is divisible by x square minus 3x plus 2. In this way, we can solve this. The next question is factorize the following using factor theorem. The polynomial is x to the power 4 minus 5x square plus 4. Here, strictly it is saying that this one should be solved by factor theorem. So here we will use only factor theorem. Right. So here let this is px x to the power 4 minus 5x square plus 4. Now what is the degree of it? Degree is 4. So generally there will be 4 factors. So since degree is equal to 4, so px should have 4 factors. 4 factors. That is, now what are those 4 factors? How can we find? Before solving that, we have to know what are the possible zeros of it. The possible zeros we can find from this one only. What are the different factors of these 4? One is plus minus 1, another one is plus minus 2, another one is plus minus 4. So with these 6 zeros we should try. Let us take 1 at first. Here p of 1 to the power 4 minus 5 into 1 square plus 4. This is 1, this is minus 5 plus 4. It is 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 minus 5 is 0. That means x minus 1 is a factor of px. 1 we have tried. Next let us try by minus 1. P of minus 1. Let us put minus 1 here. Minus 1 to the power 4 minus 5 minus 1 square plus 4. This is 1, this is minus 5 plus 4, this is also 0. Conclusion is that x plus 1, this is minus 1, so it will be plus 1. X plus 1 is a factor of px. Alright, now let us try by plus 2, as there are 4 factors and the degree is 4. P of, let us try with plus 2. Okay, so here let us put 2 to the power 4 minus 5 into 2 square plus 4. 2 to the power 4 is 16 minus 2 square is 4, 5 is 20 plus 4. This is 20 minus 20 is 0. Therefore, x minus 2 is a factor of px. Let us try by now minus 2. P of minus 2. Here minus 2 to the power 4 minus 5 into minus 2 square plus 4. Alright student, so minus 2 to the power 4 is 16 minus 2 square is 4, 4 5 is 20 plus 4. This is 20, 20 minus is also 0. So we have got the 4 factors. So x to the power 4 minus 5x square plus 4. The factors are, first factor is x minus 1. Second factor is x plus 1. Third factor is x minus 2. Fourth factor is x plus 2. Is it alright? So here we have skipped actually one line. Here we have to write, then it will be incomplete. Therefore, x plus 2 is a factor of x. Alright, so the x to the power 4 minus 5x square plus 4 is where we have got this 4. Here the question is, if x plus 1 by x equal to 3, find the value of number 1 is x square plus 1 by x square and number 2 is x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4. Now before solving, let us discuss some formula. A plus b whole square equal to a square plus twice ab plus b square. So from here, a plus b whole square minus twice ab is equal, this twice ab is taken this side, it will be a square plus b square. Also, if we take a minus b whole square, if we expand it, we get a square minus twice ab plus b square. So it is going to be a minus b whole square. This is in this side it will be plus twice ab, a square plus b square. So a square plus b square sometimes can also be written like this: a plus b whole square minus twice ab, and sometimes this also can be written as a minus b whole square plus twice ab. Now you have to see in the question, if a plus b is given, you will use this formula. If a minus is given, then you will use this formula to find a square plus b square. Okay, let us start now here. Number 1, x square plus 1 by x square is equal to, this is, we can express like this. What is given? Plus is given. Plus is given, so we shall use this. So this is a square plus b square, a plus b whole square minus twice ab. This will get cancelled. Now the value of this is 3 square minus 2. This is 9 minus 2 is 7. Number 2. What we have to find? X to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4. Okay, this can be written, expressed as whole square 1 by x square whole square. Now it is also of this form, a square plus b square. So it is the first formula, a plus b whole square minus twice ab, twice a b. This will get cancelled. This value already we have found. How much it is? 7. 7 square minus 2. 49 minus 2 is 47. So dear students, the question is, if x square plus 1 by x square equal to 6, then find the value of x plus 1 by x, and the second one is x minus 1 by x. This is the reverse or the converse of the last question, and the recapitulation part of the last question is here only. I have not rubbed. We have to use this concept only here. So let us start. So here we have to find x plus 1 by x whole square. How will we do this? Number 1, we have x square plus 1 by x square equal to 6. This can be written as 1 by x whole square 6. Okay, so we have to find plus 1, that is this one. So we have to use the first formula, a square plus b square equal to a plus b whole square minus twice ab. So this is a plus b whole square minus twice ab is equal to, this is 6. X plus 1 by x whole square. X will get cancelled, so this is 6 plus 2. So x plus 1 by x whole square is 8. Alright. Now x plus 1 by x will be how much? Now square of some number is 8. What is that number? You see, we can, if we write 8, root 8, its square is 8. If we write minus root 8, its square is also 8. Okay, so for that reason we shall write plus minus root over 8 whole square. Let us remove square from both the sides. X plus 1 by x equal to plus minus root over 8. Now let us do the second part. We have x square plus 1 by x square equal to 6. A square plus b square, we have expressed in this way, equal to 6. We shall use this formula, a minus b whole square plus twice ab, for a square plus b square. This is a minus b whole square, a minus b whole square plus twice ab, plus twice ab equal to 6. Alright, so this gives us x minus 1 by x whole square. X will get cancelled, so it is going to be this 6 minus 2. X minus 1 by x whole square, this is 4. X minus 1 by x whole square, whose square is 4, plus minus 2 whole square. Let us remove square from both the sides. X minus 1 by x equal to plus minus 2. In this way, we just student, the question is, if x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 equal to 47, find the value of x plus 1 by x. Alright, here we shall apply this formula only. A square plus b square equal to a plus b whole square minus twice ab. Okay, so here what is given is equal to 47. So let us express in this way, x square whole square, 1 by x square whole square is 47. Now this is of the form x square plus b square, so it is a plus b. A plus b whole square minus twice ab, minus twice ab, 47 whole square. X square will get cancelled. This is 47 and this side it is plus 2. X square plus 1 by x square, this is 49. X square plus 1 by x square whole square equal to, it will be 7 square or plus minus 7 square. It will be obviously 7 square. Please do not put plus minus 7. Please do not put like this. Why? Because you see, here what we will get if we remove square? X square plus 1 by x square is equal to 7. If you write minus 7, it will mean that sum of the square is negative number. It is never possible. That's why we will write only 1 plus 7 only. So now this is, let us express in that form only. Whole square is 7. A plus b whole square. A plus b whole square minus twice ab equal to 7. So here we can cancel. You can cancel. Now x plus 1 by x whole square equal to 7, this plus 2. X plus 1 by x whole square is 9. X plus 1 by x whole square equal to plus minus 3 square. Alright, here we can write plus minus because sum of two numbers may be positive, may be negative. Remove square from both the sides. Plus minus 3. So in this way we will solve. This question is, if a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus c equal to 0, then prove that a equal to b equal to c. Let us take this, what is given, a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus c is equal to 0. Now what we will do, let us multiply both the side by 2. Let us multiply both the side by 2 throughout. So it is 2a square plus 2b square plus 2c square minus twice ab minus twice bc minus twice ca equal to 0 into 2 is 0. Now for a particular reason we are multiplying by 2, not with other number. You will easily understand why by 2. Now this 2a square can be written as a square plus a square. A square plus a square. 2b square plus b square, 2c square plus c square, and this one like this only, twice ab minus twice bc minus twice c. Now let us arrange. A square minus 2ab plus this b square. Alright? Now this will be of the form a minus b whole square. For that reason only we have multiplied by 2, so that we get whole square only. A square minus twice plus b square. Then this b square minus 2bc plus c square written. Then plus this c square minus this 2ca plus this is left, a square. This will make some group. This is, you can check, this is of the form a minus b whole square. This is b minus c whole square. This is c minus a whole square. Now, if you look at this, what does it say? It says that it is the sum of the square is 0. There are 3 squares. The sum of these 3 squares is 0. Is it possible? It is possible only if each term is 0. If you take any number, suppose 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, it is not 0. Minus 1 square, minus 2 square, minus 2, whatever be the number you consider, except 0, the sum cannot be 0. Alright? So this is possible. It is possible only if each term is 0. So that is a minus b equal to 0, b minus c equal to 0, c minus a is also equal to 0. If you simplify, it is a equal to b, it is b equal to c, and from here we get c is equal to. If you combine these three, you get a equal to b, b is also equal to c. We have to prove a equal to b equal to c. In this way, we can prove. Alright, students. Thank you.